we are really providing mainly to the French forces, but also to the worldwide forces, detection, protection, and decontamination solution for CBRN.
Can you explain a little bit about the field?
We are capitalizing actually on a huge experience because we are gaining two things. The experience of the years. We are really, working now for 70 years. We have a built-in laboratory in our facility. And then we are also experts in the complete field of the CBRN. When I said detection, protection, decontamination, we are not only focusing on one aspect like protection, but we know how to detect and we know how to decontaminate. We have been supporting the French government and the French authorities with some of our equipment, mainly masks, cartridge, to support the health department.